Today I'm cooking up a couple of bone-in New York strip steaks. So I'm going to be seasoning them with Kosmos Q's cow cover. And I'm going to be going pretty heavy on these steaks as they are pretty thick, almost 2 inches thick. So I'm going to be making sure I get a pretty even coating on all the sides of the steaks. Today I'm cooking on the Weber 22-inch Kettle grill. I'm using Royal Oak lump charcoal. I've got a couple of pieces of pecan and cherry, and I've got the fire set up for indirect cooking, which means the meat is on one side and the coals are on the other side. After the first 15 minutes, I flip the steaks over and I'm going to let them cook again for another 15 minutes until I reach an internal temperature of about 135 degrees. My fire is at about 225 degrees. Now that the steaks have hit 135 degrees internal temperature, I'm going to put them directly over the coals and do a reverse sear, and that's just to help it get a good caramelization and good crust on the steaks. So I let these steaks rest for 10 minutes, but you could let them rest longer, probably better for the steaks. But I was hungry and I wanted to dig into them. The color on these steaks is absolutely fabulous. Doing steaks on the grill is a barbecue tradition, so don't be afraid to try something new on the grill. Barbecuing is just cooking, and cooking is just an experiment. This is Johnny from Smoky Q. I'll see you guys later.